Hi, Jenny here. I have some fresh cranberries left over from Christmas, and I have a can of pumpkin left over from Thanksgiving. So today we're going to make some pumpkin spice cranberry muffins. Let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to use 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons pumpkin pie spice, and then 1 cup of fresh cranberries, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, a can of pumpkin puree, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, teaspoon of vanilla, and then we're going to put a topping on top of that, and that's going to require 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon again of the pumpkin pie spice, and a couple tablespoons of butter. Alright, first we are going to mix up all our dry ingredients into a bowl and set that aside. So we'll start with our 2 cups of flour. Again, the 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of our pumpkin pie spice. Alright, we are going to start with the 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and the 2 eggs, and I'm going to mix those, and then we'll add some more wet ingredients. We will now add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, our 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and the can of pumpkin. We will now add our dry ingredients. We will now fold in our 1 cup of cranberries. We will preheat the stove to 375. And we're going to spray our muffin tins. I'm going to start with 12. If I need more, I have another pan under here. It says it makes 12, so we'll see. So you can use any type of a sprayer. I have a misto sprayer. Saw that online somewhere, someone used it, and I found one online. You can also buy them, I'm pretty sure, like at the Walmart stores and stuff. And then you can put your own oil in there and make it whatever kind of oil you'd like. So you can make it a little healthier than the regular store sprays, although lately I've been at the store and they've had a lot of more healthier sprays, so you have choices these days. But we're going to fill up our muffin tins most of the way, and then we will bake them for about 20 minutes. And yeah, I have batter left. And I almost forgot, we have to make our crumble and put that on top of here before we bake it also. So let's go and do that. Okay, we're going to make the crumble that goes on top. And that required 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of our pumpkin pie spice, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Usually when you make a crumble, you use cold butter. And cut it up in there and then mix it all up, and usually with your hands, because that just goes better. So, cut this all up. I don't usually like to get my hand, doesn't matter I suppose. I don't usually like to get my hands messy with the brown sugar, so I use the bag to help pat it down, measure things out, whether it be in a tablespoon or a cup. But of course, like I said, with doing a crumble, it's usually better if you just mix it all up with your hands. And as long as our hands are messy with it, then we will just put it all on the top of our muffins. Alright, that's pretty crumbly, so we're going to sprinkle that over the top. What to do first? Maybe, if you have a couple extra cranberries around, which I do, I like to put a couple of them on top. I did that with my blueberry muffins and they turned out so yummy delicious. So seeing as I have so many cranberries, I'm going to add those. That way you're guaranteed it too, a couple of cranberries in each muffin. I'll put the crumble on top. Into the oven for 20 minutes. We will see you then, see what it looks like. My mixture had enough for 2 more muffins, so I'm just going to throw those in the oven right away too and cook those with the ones that I have going. The oven has beeped. It's going to beep again. We shall, oh my goodness gracious. Woo! And they poofed up. And we said to fill the trays like 3/4 full, so I didn't think they would poof up so much. Oh, beautiful. Alright, we will take a toothpick and push it in and see that it comes out all baked and not wet. Oh yeah. Perfect. Alright, we're gonna let those cool. There you have it. First video of the new year. Do you guys make New Year's resolutions? Especially regarding food? I used to. I used to be part of that group that was like, woo, I'm gonna exercise more and eat less, and then I would always catch a cold. So for the last few years, I've decided that, well yeah, I'll try to exercise more. You know, a little bit every day, every other day. Pretty much keep my eating the same. Gotta have my chocolate every day, you know. But try to eat more fruits and vegetables, a little more healthy. And I have not had a cold in the last few years. So, knock on wood. Hopefully that stays the same again this year. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe for it down below. I hope you have a healthy 2021 and keep it positive and go make it a great day. I'm gonna enjoy my muffin now. Bye-bye. Delicious. Ah, pumpkin spice cranberry muffins. So today I thought we would make some cranberry spice pumpkin muffins. Let's get started. Is that right? Pumpkin spice cranberry muffins? I think so. Yeah. So of course I got it wrong. Oopsies, I need my cup. Alright. Throw it all over the floor. The heater's running and the water's dripping in the basement. Oh yeah, why not? See how many takes it takes.